Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a support letter. What is a support letter? A support letter is a written document that expresses encouragement, assistance, or endorsement for an individual, organization, cause, or initiative. It is typically used to convey moral or financial support, demonstrate endorsement, or seek assistance from individuals, institutions, or entities in various contexts, such as personal challenges, charitable endeavors, academic pursuits, or legal matters. Support letters can serve to inspire, persuade, or provide evidence of support to achieve specific goals or address particular needs. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a support letter step by step. Check this out. First thing first, write your information. You need to write your full name. Under it, write your home address, if you write it on behalf of yourself individually. Or, you can also write your occupation and organization, feel free to pick. And then, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient of this letter. Yes, write their full name. And then, write the organization name. Under it, write the office address. Or their home address, if you address this letter personally. When you write the address, don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you completed this information, you may open the letter with salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, after beginning with a polite salutation, you can continue to express your intention to convey support for the recipient individually or recipient's organization or cause. For example, the writer here wrote, "I am writing this letter to express my wholehearted support for the LMN Foundation." And say something good about the organization or the recipient. In this example, the writer is amazed by the recipient's organization and wants to give his or her support. So, the writer wrote, "Having witnessed the incredible impact and dedication of your team, and I am inspired to extend my support and voice my endorsement." In the second paragraph, this is where you state your admiration for the organization's work or mission. Besides that, you can also try explaining why you are inspired to offer support. Here is the example. "Your organization's commitment to educational initiatives aligns perfectly with my values and goals." And mention your alignment with their values and goals. Here, the writer shows an excitement to be a part of it. If you can relate, you may write something like, "I have seen firsthand the positive changes the LMN Foundation has brought to our community. And I want to be a part of this important work." In the third paragraph, you need to specify the type of support you are willing to provide. For business or organization, whether they can be financial contributions. You may also include volunteer work, or other forms of assistance. For example as, "I am willing to contribute both my time and financial support to further your cause." And by that, it is highly recommended to emphasize your dedication to assisting in any way possible. In this letter, the writer wrote the more specific things about the contributions he or she wants to give as a support. For example as, whether through volunteering at events or making regular donations, I am dedicated to assisting in any way I can to help the LMN Foundation achieve its mission. Sure, you can modify this based on your preference. In the fourth paragraph, express your confidence in the recipient's abilities and the importance of their work. This is a support letter, and that's enough reason why this part is a must to include. So, you can write something like, I have full confidence in your team's abilities and the significance of the foundation's work. Ask the recipient to count you in. You can simply write, please consider me a dedicated ally in your efforts. And besides that, you may also offer your contact information for further communication and collaboration. The two most common contact information are phone number and email address. The writer here wrote, you can reach me at john.smith@email.com or 555-123-4567. This is very important because the recipient may require any further assistance, or they may need to discuss collaboration opportunities with you. And finally, for the closing, you can use a polite closing such as, sincerely, or, yours faithfully, followed by your signature and typed name. So, that's how you write a support letter step by step. In the next video, I will show you how to write the informal support letter, just in case you need it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. And see you soon.